That testimony, Keenan and Alicia, is expected to continue today. It was a busy Wednesday here at Oakland County Circuit Court. Yesterday, we heard, of course, from the attorney for the state. We also heard from the attorney representing those two county prosecutors. The state also called two medical professionals, including the state's chief medical executive, to weigh in on the public health implications of all of this. Now, happening today when testimony resumes at 9:30 this morning, the judge here, Judge Jacob Cunningham, is expected to decide whether or not to issue a more long-term pause on that 1931 ban.
By subjecting women to carry pregnancies in a forced manner, we are subjecting them to potentially negative health outcomes that they are not choosing for themselves.
Testifying Wednesday in Oakland County, Michigan's chief medical executive, Dr. Natasha Bagdasarian, shares what she sees as serious public health risks to enforcing Michigan's 1931 abortion ban, which prohibits the procedure unless the mother's life is at risk. The state also called OBGYN at Michigan Medicine, Dr. Lisa Harris, to testify. She points to the ambiguity of the current law and the challenges doctors could face in trying to follow it.
How high does the risk of dying need to be to sort of count or qualify as a life-preserving abortion? The second is, how imminent does the threat of death need to be for there to be a life-preserving abortion? And the third is, how sick does a patient need to be in order to sort of qualify under that exception?
Most county prosecutors in Michigan have said they don't plan on enforcing the decades-old law, but prosecutors in Kent and Jackson counties argue they can't rule it out. Their attorney in court Wednesday arguing this isn't about someone's belief in the right to abortion access, but rather the current law.
The governor is required by Article 5, Section 8 to faithfully execute and enforce the law as it is, not the way she wants it to be.
All of this playing out as the state waits for the Michigan Supreme Court to determine if that 1931 ban is legal or not. Now, in many ways, the Whitmer administration is using this as a placeholder to keep abortion access in Michigan legal in the meantime as this case works its way through the state Supreme Court. And again, right now, abortion access in Michigan does remain legal. That testimony expected to continue this morning at 9:30. We'll, of course, have full coverage from Oakland County Circuit Court. Reporting live in Pontiac this morning, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.
Yeah, a highly charged issue and one that we'll be watching closely. Jen Shantz live for us this morning in Pontiac. Thank you, Jen.